The Menger Hotel, folks. One of the most historic, if not the most historic hotels in San Antonio, where they have construction going on. Apologies. I'll talk louder. Right next to the Alamo, right here. It's the Alamo, and then of course the Emily Morgan over there. This is one of the most haunted hotels in the US, folks. We're gonna go take a look and walk through, and also go to the bar that Teddy Roosevelt and the Rough Riders drank their whiskey, shot their 6-shooters up in the ceiling. We're gonna see all that. So here's where you're gonna park your car and get the valet. Here's the bar. And this is the Alamo over here to the right. The historic Menger. This is where we went up. I think we were on the second floor when we stayed here. We didn't get any experiences. Here's the bar down here. I remember that. I was here for a wedding. Jordan, Alex. So we're right here, literally across the street from the Alamo. 1880. We're gonna go out that way. 1880. How about that? So this is another view right here of the pool. I'm gonna take a gander around. It's a big pool. It's another portrait. 1865. Look at these folks on their buggies. Man, this place is haunted AF. I've seen some videos online of it being haunted. Some of these antiques here. That's cool. There's the bar. Ooh, I wonder if this is from the Rough Riders. Yeah, there's old Teddy. Some of the stuff he used to wear. Return of the Rough Riders. So the bar, which we'll get into in just a second here, is where you can still see the ghosts of old Roosevelt and some of the Rough Riders from time to time. It's right here. And evidently, this bathroom is haunted too. Here's old Teddy and the gang. And they used to drink their bourbon right in here. On the channel, I had a beer here with Teddy. Look at that. I think there's like bullet holes in the wall. Go up here. Narrow staircase. Full bar.
First Texas Cavalry on board.
This is where me and my wife sat for a few hours, drinking some beer with Teddy. Back to the haunted bathrooms. Where at? In the rooms?
Floors.
What do they do?
Nothing. Just walk by.
Oh, all right. Thank you. There you hear it. Floors creaking. Folks walking by. That's not my buddies, Jordan and Alex. Cavalier room. I think it's a little conference room. Phone booths. You don't see those anymore, do you? The phone booths next to the ATM. In the old spin phones. Here's another picture of the Menger. This one looks to have paved roads. So this is where we came in at over here. That's where the bar's at. Wait, yeah. Check in. I remember, like, it was a late night, the wedding was. Pretty sure we had Texas Country on the little JBL speaker here at like probably 4 or 5 in the morning. So sorry everyone. Wasn't my call. I was just there. Look at these old bottles. Iron nails found during renovation of Sam Houston's boardroom. You don't say. A little whiskey bottle there. Oh, I don't know what that is. It smells. Dang. I feel like this was a luxury hotel back in the Gap. Maybe still is. Hello. He's staring at us. I do not know that guy. Very cool. Very elegant. And then, of course, here's another entrance, I think. So yeah, super haunted. Let's go take a look across the street, line it up to those pictures. This is where it was facing over here, so let me do that.